right, India's middle class continuing to reel under the burden of fuel prices as yet another hike was seen today. Petrol and diesel prices have been hiked by 80 paise once again, taking the total increase in rates in the last 10 days to 6 rupees 40 paise. This is the 9th increase in fuel prices after a long hiatus of rate revision that ended on March 22nd. In fact, in Delhi, petrol is now almost 102 rupees a litre. Diesel has gone up to 93. In Mumbai, fuel prices have increased by 84 paise, making petrol now soar up to 116 rupees and diesel 100.94.
I am present at a petrol pump in Andheri area, and let me straight away take you to the prices out here. 116.77 for petrol and 100.99 for diesel. Now, if we understand if these prices continuously and consistently increase at 80 paise, the petrol will definitely reach to 120 in coming days, and the diesel will also increase to around 105 to 108, which is absolutely not normal. And when we talk about the pressure on the Mumbaikars, the inflation is rising, and as far as diesel is concerned, when the diesel prices rise, essential commodity prices are definitely rise because transportation is rising, transportation is used because of the diesel. We're try and speak to some people out here who have come here to fill up petrol. As far as the prices are concerned, they are constantly rising, and it is impacting to the common man, and the diesel price is definitely the reason to increase in the inflation. Sir, पेट्रोल का भाव लगातार बढ़ रहा है. आप रोज पेट्रोल यूज करते हैं, कितनी दिक्कत आ रही है सर?
बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है सर.
हाँ सर,
बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है सर.
और ये डीजल के वजह से घर का बजट भी बिगड़ रहा है, क्या
हाँ,
कहेंगे?
वो तो है सर, तकलीफ है बहुत ज्यादा.
कुछ कहेंगे सरकार कम करे एक्साइज ड्यूटी, या आप क्या मांग करते हैं?
कम करना चाहिए सरकार को.
We'll try and speak to some more commuters out here. सर, रोज पेट्रोल भराते हैं, पेट्रोल का भाव लगातार 80 पैसे से बढ़ रहा है, क्या दिक्कत हो रही है सर? आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
ऑब्वियसली रोज का रोज बढ़ रहा है और सैलरी इनकम नहीं है कुछ भी, तो पेट्रोल ऑल ऑफ सडन बढ़ रहा है अचानक, एंड कुछ न्यूज़ नहीं, कुछ
6 रुपए तक बढ़ गया है सर.
क्या कर सकते हैं? मेरे बोलने से कुछ चेंज होगा? गवर्नमेंट तो वही करेगी जो उसको करना है.
Well, let's go across to our reporters who are joining us from various cities to get us a sense of what the common man thinks at this point in time. Abhishek joining us from Mumbai, Alok from Delhi, and Revati from Bengaluru. Abhishek, let me come to you first. Mumbai is the city where petrol is perhaps one of the most expensive across the entire country. What is the sense that you're getting from the people you've spoken to?
Yeah. Definitely. Firstly, I'll say I'm standing at the South Mumbai, one of the prominent petrol pump besides me, and talking about the prices. Prices of petrol has crossed 116 today, and yesterday was a mark of 100 cross for diesel. Today's diesel is around 100.88 paise in Mumbai. And when we talk about diesel, diesel is definitely an important aspect when it comes to transportation of essential commodities. And essential commodities, the cost will rise as the diesel cost will rise, and definitely it will impact the pocket of the common man. And since morning we are tracking this news update from different petrol pumps and hearing different voices. Some are supporting them, some are telling government to reduce excise duty, some are telling them this is a temporary provision, there is a war-like situation going on in Ukraine versus Russia, so we need to back the government. Some are telling that, we want an immediate relief. We will be joined by one of the commuter who has just filled up the petrol and come out here. Sir, कैसी दिक्कत आ रही है सर? पेट्रोल लगातार बढ़ रहा है.
पेट्रोल का तो दाम बढ़ते ही जा रहा है, कम तो हो नहीं रहा है. पिछले महीने 110 रुपए था, अभी 116 रुपए हो गया. पेट्रोल डीजल का भी दाम बढ़ रहा है, ऊपर से सिलेंडर का भी दाम बढ़ गया है, जो 1000 रुपये हो गया है. और मीठा तेल जो सादा वाला लेने जाओ तो 180, और फिल्टर वाला लेने जाओ तो 200 रुपये मीठा तेल का दाम हो गया है. इसमें आम आदमी जो हमारे जैसे जो 12,000 15,000 जो सैलरी लेते हैं वो कैसे जी पाएंगे? या तो जो सरकारी कर्मचारी है उनका तो बात अलग है, उनके लिए तो भत्ता मिलता है बढ़ा के. जैसे हम जो छोटे काम करने वालों को तो बहुत मुश्किल है. अभी ये तो
घर घर खर्च चलाना मुश्किल हो गया है।
मुश्किल तो हो गया है सर। अभी देखो इतने कम पेमेंट में अभी ये सब दाम बढ़ रहा है, तो हम जैसा आम आदमी क्या करेगा सर? आम आदमी का तो मतलब एक ये हो गया ना, जो पेट्रोल अभी इतना बढ़ते जा रहा है कि हमारे जैसा अभी आदमी ये भी कुछ दिन के बाद तो गाड़ी चलाना ही छोड़ देगा, जो बढ़ते जा रहा है।
डेफिनेटली अवनी, यू हर्ड हिम राइट, यू नो ही सेड आम आदमी क्या करेगा, कुछ दिन बाद तो गाड़ी चलाना छोड़ देगा, ऐसी नौबत आ गई है। वन मोर कम्यूटर वी हैव विद अस। सर, पेट्रोल बढ़ रहा है लगातार, क्या कहेंगे सर?
पेट्रोल तो बहुत महंगा, अभी गाड़ी चलाना मुश्किल हो गया है। अभी कैसा गाड़ी चलाएंगे? अभी वो तब इलेक्ट्रिक की गाड़ी लेना पड़ेगा।
और घर घर खर्च कैसे मैनेज होगा?
अभी पेट्रोल का भाव इतना बढ़ गया, अभी वही घर खर्च में थे जा रहे, तब क्या करेंगे?
Definitely, getting back to you, you know, the household courses, the pocket money, the saving for the houses are being now used for petrol, is what the consumers out here are telling, and it will be getting difficult for them to survive as the day passes, because what we are seeing right now is a consistent rise every day by 80 paisa, and an average rise by 6.50 paisa has already been done in past 10 days. Back to you.
Absolutely, Abhishek. Thank you so much for getting us those voices. Alok, let me come to you now. I mean, Mumbai, of course, is no stranger to fuel prices being well over the 100 mark, especially petrol. Delhi has reached that 100 mark just recently. It somehow has a psychological, that's a psychological level that petrol has crossed 100 rupees. What has been the sense in Delhi right now?
Well, the similar sense in the national capital as well, as Abhishek is reporting from Mumbai. I am here in the Connaught Place area, especially that is Janpath, and here one of the petrol pumps. It's showing. I'm showing you the figure of the prices of the petrol and diesel. This is petrol. If you see 101.81, and here it is diesel price is 93. The way the petrol and diesel prices are rising, what I believe that within a week, the diesel prices will also go up and it will cross the century. So this is what the situation right now. Let me try to talk to some of the people, especially the commuters and the drivers. भाई साहब, जिस तरीके से पेट्रोल और डीजल का दाम बढ़ रहा है, कैसे घर का खर्च वर्च चल पा रहा है कि नहीं? कितना तेल डलवाते हो आप?
सर, हम तो ड्राइवर हैं।
फिर भी ड्राइवर हैं तो डलवाते होंगे?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
दिक्कत होती है डेली आपको जब पेट्रोल डलवाने आते होगे तो डेली लगता होगा कि यार आज तो इतना था, आज इतना हो गया।
80 पैसे फिर भरे हुए हैं।
हाँ, पता है आपको 80 पैसे बढ़ा हुआ है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
ओके, लेट मी ट्राई टू सम मोर पर्सन। सर, पेट्रोल और डीजल का दाम जिस तरीके से बढ़ रहा है, क्या कहेंगे आप? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ जी सर।
पेट्रोल और डीजल का दाम जिस तरीके से बढ़ रहा है, पेट्रोल लेते होंगे आप, अपनी गाड़ी में डलवाते होंगे, डेली आप देखते होंगे 80 पैसा बढ़ रहा है। सरकार से क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सरकार से यही कहना चाहूँगा, बंदा अगर नॉर्मल बंदा कमा रहा है, अगर 20-25 हज़ार रुपये कमा रहा है, घर पे देखेगा और क्या करेगा? मतलब पेट्रोल भी अप डाउन भी रोज कंटिन्यू करना है तो कैसे होगा?
क्या
मतलब
करते हैं आप?
मैं एम्स में सर्विस करता हूँ।
एम्स में सर्विस करते हैं तो अप डाउन डेली अपनी बाइक से करते हैं?
हाँ, इसी से करता हूँ, गाड़ी से।
तो डेली तेल डलवाते हैं?
मैं फुली कराता हूँ।
फुली करवा लेते हैं।
हाँ।
तो लेकिन अब पिछली बार करवाएंगे, इस बार में काफी चेंज आ गया होगा फिर?
चेंज आ गया, बढ़ गया ना, बढ़ गया, अभी बढ़ा, एक हफ्ते पहले ही बढ़ा।
7-8 रुपए बढ़
हाँ,
गया।
7-8 रुपये बढ़ गया, अब क्या कर सकता है?
Here, these are the reactions of the people, and similar reactions we are getting from various states of the country, because not only in Delhi and Mumbai, but every other part of the country, the prices are increasing. Many people are now becoming complacent, that they are saying, yes, the situation is right now because of the war and the way the economic condition of the country because of the COVID that come down. So that is the reason that the government is increasing the petrol and diesel prices, but they are also suggesting the government that they can decrease the VAT or some taxes so that these kinds of hike could be stopped.
Absolutely, Alok. In fact, Revati, coming to you here, that is the big question that Alok was mentioning, whether or not, if and when governments are going to step in, both at the center and the state levels, to start reducing the taxes, because as we all know, half of the cost as far as fuel is concerned goes into central and state taxes. So that is the big question right now. What are you picking up on ground in terms of how people are responding to this rise?
Well, while speaking to people in the last few days, the sense that we are getting is that they are frustrated. They feel that it does not make sense anymore to voice their concerns because irrespective of what they are saying, the price is going on increasing. Let me quickly show you what the price is in Bangalore today. It's 107 rupee 30 paise for petrol per litre in Bengaluru, and for diesel, the price is at 91 rupees 27 paise per litre of diesel. That is the price as far as Bengaluru is concerned. I've been speaking to a few people, the locals as well here, on how they view this consistent increase in the price of petrol. Excuse me, sir. Sir, ನೀವೀಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ?
ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ.
He's saying that with this essential commodity prices are also likely to increase. In fact, he was talking to the staff here saying that you have to tell the higher ups that people are angry about the rise in prices. You have to convey it to them so that they take some sort of a decision and reduce the prices. Sir, petrol price ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ?
ಏನು ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು?
ಅದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಗಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ಗಾಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೇ ಇದೆ.
ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ?
ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ.
Okay. He's saying that his salary has not increased. His monthly payment that he receives is more or less the same, but the price of fuel is going on increasing consistently. So while speaking with the locals in the last few days, that is the sense that we are getting as reporters on the ground, that irrespective of what they are saying, irrespective of them voicing their concerns, there is a consistent increase in price. So who is really listening to our concerns? Who is really listening to what we have to say is what all of them are asking us when we try to get these voices.
Absolutely, Revati. Thank you so much, Alok, Abhishek and Revati for joining us and getting us all of those voices at this point. Meanwhile, politics, of course, over fuel prices. Congress party leaders led by Rahul Gandhi staged a protest near Parliament against the price surge. Congress leaders were seen garlanding an LPG cylinder at Vijay Chowk in Delhi as a sign of protest. We also spoke to Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who was at the protest site. Take a look.
How will you reach to the people, common man?
I think the purpose of protests like this is precisely to raise the consciousness of everybody that this is an issue the government can do something about. When international prices were extremely low, way back when they first came to power in 2014, they still charged us a lot through their taxes. Now that international prices are high, they're blaming international prices. The truth is that when you pay 101 rupees at the petrol pump, 52 of those rupees are going to governments and taxes. So let them try and reduce that to reduce the burden on the Aam Aadmi.
What will you say that how they are doing it, that 80 paisa every day, 80 paisa, what the government want to show?
It's obviously a foolish way of showing that they believe that people can bear an 80 paise increase every single day rather than a sudden 5 rupee increase. But the bottom line is it's crossed 5 rupees also since they started this game.
Sir, we are reporting from the ground and many people have become complacent and they are now accepting the situation and they are saying, yes, the war is going on, that is why government has to do. What will you say to that?
I'll say to them the war can go on, but the taxes are not because of the war. Okay. The taxes are because the government is trying to make money out of ordinary people. So let the Aam Aadmi ask the government, why are you taking so many taxes from us?
With that, we're going to slip into a very quick break. We'll be back with lots more.